Alright, what's up guys? So today I made $4,700 trading NASDAQ in less than 5 minutes. So I will show you how and break down my trade. So yeah, before I get into it, market crashed, and if you're wondering why, everything is down: stocks, indices, crypto. It's because here, let's see, China came out with a new AI or something that's replacing chatgbt. Here, let's see if I can find it. Market crash US. Yeah, it's named deepseek or something. So yeah, that's why everything is down, and as you can see right there, there's a big gap. So obviously I was looking bullish, so I get an entry right there somewhere to fill in those gaps because of this massive drop. So yeah, today we had no news Monday. And yeah, so let's start. What I did first is mark previous day's highs and low. Since the market dropped a lot, I didn't mark them, so I just marked our session. So Asia high and low and London high and low. So right there, and then right there. Yeah, and then I was looking if there's any fair value gap. So I go on the 4 hour. I seen this fair value gap right there, but since I'm bullish, I didn't mark it. So then I scaled down to the 2 hour. I seen this one, mark it up, fair value gap. Then scale down to the 1 hour. Right there we can see I adjust it, and yeah. So then I can scale down the 5 minute to see if everything is looking good, if everything makes sense. It does. Reminds you this is not existing, so it's like that. And yeah, so this becomes my TP zone, take profit zone. Then scale down to the 3 minute. 3 minute is where I look for entries, and so what I look for is either a fair value gap fill so I can enter my trade, or if it's how do I say, like a break and retest. So let's say I was looking for my trade to hit right there. Do I have a pencil? Brush, yeah. So let's say I want a break and retest. Why is my pencil invincible? Oh, okay. So either I want the candle to drop like that and keep doing what it's doing, and when it break through the, so in this case the low, the London low, I want a retracement, and then I can enter. So once it break it, I'm just looking for a retracement and I can enter the trade. Or what I'm looking for, it's a fair value gap fill, or sometimes it just comes like this wick. So it's just, let's say the candle drops straight into this line. So I got confirmation that this line is still a valid entry point, and then I'm waiting for the next candle, so the retrace, to start. Then I enter from here. Yeah, so those are the setups I look on the 3 minute, so I can enter a trade. So let's delete those. All right. So what we got today is a fair value gap fill. At 9:27, you can see it filled in this fair value gap, and right after 9:30, it flew up, basically. So right there, 9:27 fill and 9:30. So since I'm still on my combine on my topstep account, I can only aim for 1 to 2s right now because there's a consistency rule on the combine. So if I was trading on my real account, or when I get my real account, I could have aimed for this session high. So a 6.4 risk to reward, which basically would be, since I was risking one contract, 6.4 multiply by 5. No, wait. 6.4, yeah, multiply by 500. I would have made 3.2k on one account, so multiply by 5, 16k just today in less than 5 minutes. But I made 955 multiply by 500, not 500, 5. I made 955 on one account, multiply by 5 account, 4.7. Yeah, here we go. So yeah, that was my entry. Fair value gap, fail, and 1 to 2. If I had my real account, could have aimed for this session high. So yeah, that was the trade basically. See you guys in the next one.